So I ordered some things off of Zzounds and I got some new equipment and I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna unbox it. I'll maybe show what it's like later, but just unboxing, just so you can know what it's like inside the box. I'm mainly doing this video because I did not see a lot of unboxing videos for this equipment so that I could see what is included. So that's what this video is for. But I'm super excited. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Let me get it. I don't know which one is which. I'll make sure that my address is not showing. And let's rip it open. Ah! Wait. Receipt. Yes, receipt. Ah! Okay. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. I have to order it. I have to open it gently. Let me get a knife. A pink knife. Always cut away. Be sure to pack this thing fucking tight. Jesus. They said nobody's gonna open this fucking box. I'm just so excited. I have been wanting a new mic. Not that my mic now isn't good. I have a Shure SM70, but oh yeah. Okay, so they gave me a Jesus catalog. This is my mic right here, the TF51. Okay, so this is what's inside of the bag. The bag looks like this. Very beautiful carrying case. I've never had a carrying case for a mic, so I'm excited. The biggest thing that I really wanted to make sure was that there's a power cord in here because it didn't show it. I'm pretty sure it's in here though. So this is the mic. Oh my god. Oh, power source. Ah, power source for the baby. This microphone holder. Another part of the microphone holder. And then, lo and behold, oh my god, I tried this one hand. I don't want to rip. I don't think I'm going to rip it though. Hold on. I'm definitely going to edit that out. And the cord. But this is the mic cord. So let's see if the power source cord is in here. Hell, it better fucking be. The fuck? I called them and tried to make sure because it didn't show. Oh, okay, thank God. Here it is. Right here. Yeah, it was on there for Sweetwater, but not for Zzounds. Zzounds didn't show it on their site. So I was like, the fuck? Is the shit in there or is it not? Oh, I had to literally call them. But yes. Telefunken TF51. Let's see the other stuff that I got. Next box. Okay. I know what's in here. I feel like they packed it so weird. This in here should be my preamp. I've got, which will be my first preamp. I've never had a preamp before, so I'm actually kind of excited. It's the Warm Audio WA-MPX. Oh no, this isn't it. This is my Microfreak. It's up together. So this is my other thing I'm excited for. Let's see what's like. A small Microfreak. I saw this at the studio once, and I was like, I don't know what the fuck that is, but I want it. I kid you not. Mind you, I'm starting off small when it comes to producing. So But I have too many ideas to not fucking do it. So it's my Microfreak. Hell fucking yeah. And I got the one it came with the microphone. So that was good. I think you can do like some talk box kind of stuff with it. So I'm really happy. I've seen some people do it before. But yeah. So my synthesizer is money gonna match my freak, my baby. Look at it. Ah! Okay. So it's the Microfreak. There we go. I got the mic. I'm not gonna show you the mic again. You know what a mic looks like. Yeah, I don't think it comes with any programs. I think it's just the synthesizer itself, and it's gotta just like figure this shit out. Wow, is this what it's like to be new? Wow. Wow. But this is the box itself. Just telling you all this stuff. Basically just kind of explaining what the board is. Let me not show the serial number. I hope the serial number. Okay, I did it. Yeah. So this is the baby when you first undo it. He's completely naked. So he's in this box. Let's open it. Hold on, let me open it. It's just the cords. Here I am thinking it was candy. No, it's just the cords. Okay. And a little over here, power source and stuff. Or power cords, sorry. It comes with two of these ones. Yeah. And then the instruction manual. Oh wait, let me cover that up. There's an instruction manual as well. And yep, here's the freak itself. Ugh. This should have my preamp. And my last other bit of production gear. Because mind you, like I said, I'm starting small. It's a mini lab. I've seen so many people use this. And they've made so much great things out of it. And it's like $100. So I was like, let's just fucking do it. Might as well. So it's a mini lab itself. It comes with Ableton. A loop subscription. Ooh, yes. A Melodix subscription. And analog lab intro. I don't know what that is, but like I said, I'm getting more into production DAWs. So some of this, like, I've heard of, but like I'm not super familiar with. And I currently use Studio One. So, but I know you can produce in Studio One too. I've just never done it before, but I think this is a pretty good setup for now. So I'm gonna set this aside gently. I also didn't want to buy it used because I didn't know if the software would still be included. Because see, when you buy it new, there is software already included in the pack. So this is the Mini Lab 3. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so quick, this is the Mini Lab itself, and then all the software I'm going to assume is inside. Literally. This thing. And then here's that to connect it. Yeah, I don't want to take it out the plastic on camera because that is a very intimate thing. I would like to save that for myself. Yes, but look at it. Okay, maybe I should. Maybe I should. Yeah, rip me out the plastic. Look at that. Look at there. Ooh. Ooh. And even though there's not a lot of the keys, you can still do so much more not having all the piano keys. I've seen it. That's why I got it. So, yep. Can't wait to use it. You don't understand. Yeah. Yeah. It was between this one and the Heritage, Lord, 71 to 74. I'll correct it in the video. But it was between that one and that one. And this one, apparently, like, warm in general gives you more of like an analog, warmy type old sound. And I want that. Like, I want that smoothness and that thickness in my vocals since I'm doing everything permanently by myself now. So I was like, if I'm gonna get a preamp, I need to get a good preamp, especially if I'm gonna have a good microphone. I can't skip out on the preamp too. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited to use this. As far as unboxing it, there's really nothing in here except for just the preamp itself. Overall, this is all my equipment for my studio setup. Well, updated equipment for my studio setup. I'm super excited to finally use my bus compressor. And I got a new mic, I got new headphones. I don't really need new monitors right now. I could, but like, they're fine. They're literally fine right now. But like, I'm so excited because I can also start producing. But everything came really fast. I got it like a day from Zzounds. I thought I was going to get it Saturday, but today's Friday. I ordered it on Wednesday. Like, this came super fast. So I'm really excited. And then like I said, yeah, like I feel like this is a pretty good producer setup to start. Because you can do a lot with this. And yeah, I got my new bus comp, my new mic. I've been wanting a new mic for so long. And I went to get another good one the first time. You know, so this will be my third mic that I've gotten, you know, upgrading over time. And yeah, it's going to fit perfect with my studio setup. So, yay! I got a pretty beefy home studio setup that I'm super proud of. And if you have any questions, let me know. But also, please remember, I'm new to producing, so ask me like engineering stuff about the equipment. But if you have any questions about like maybe just like how it's made and functionality and stuff, I can definitely answer those questions for these. But as far as like equipment for engineering, I can answer those questions if need be. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.